What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Also, for today's video, I'm actually cleaning out my closet, actually my entire room to be honest. Okay, I need to put this down, this is heavy. I will be going through everything that I own and decide whether or not to keep it, to sell it, or to recycle it. One last thing, I will actually be trying on every single piece of clothes that I have. I got this inspiration from Morgan Tates or Gates. Yeah, so link below and I'll be taking you with me, so I hope you enjoy it.
Ryan Little.
It's embarrassing. I'm not proud. This is the things that I don't want. This is trash, and this is what I want. I was actually thinking of buying something like this, so I'm really glad I found one. And this is what happens when you sort your closet. You avoid wasting money.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
I literally do not fit in this shirt, but how cute are these fighting pandas? So my dad actually gave this to me when he went abroad, so I'm definitely keeping this shirt, and I don't care if it doesn't even fit. I'm keeping it, and that is that. So yeah. On Wednesdays we wear pink, okay? So this is actually day 2 of filming this. I forgot that I still had a few dresses and like classy things to try on, so I'll be trying that on, and that is the last of the clothes that I decided to keep that I'm trying on. And after, I'll be trying on everything that I'm getting rid of. So everything that I've decided not to keep, even if I try it on and I like it, I will not keep it. One last thing, I will not be trying on my pajamas either because I know which ones I want to keep. I also forgot to mention that I still have my luggage, so I still have clothes and stuff like that. But I will not be trying them on because I know I'm gonna keep them, so I might as well just not go through the trouble. That was the tag!
Angel boy, you say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. you dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy.
But I actually have this since my first year of high school, which was 7 years ago. 7 years! I've also had this top for like 7 years. Oh my god, I'm so old! So, little story about this sweater. I got it for Christmas from my little brother because I told him I wanted sweaters and he thought that this ugly ass thing is what I wanted. Literally, since he bought it, I think I just wore it home and I absolutely hate it.
I'm taking it slow, stop, stare, want your body, hot, damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body and leggings, the way you move.
So one thing that happened was that I didn't try any clothes that were too small or that were going to the trash, and I've actually decided to directly donate every single clothes that was too small. Everything else will actually be, well, we'll try to sell it, and if we can't sell it in 3 weeks, we're actually going to be donating the clothes. So that is the plan, and that is that. Oh shit. So this is actually super heavy. Now I just have to clean my room and clean the documents and everything else. Should be really quick, and yeah, that is that. Day 3 of cleaning up my room, and we're doing these stuff. It's so fucking hot. I'm dying.
Wonder if you spend the winter all alone, yeah.
So you know when you're supposed to actually be trashing things and you start trying them on? I have found my baby teeth. This is horrifying. I'm definitely keeping this for no apparent or useful reason. I swear, I'm gonna make you think that I'm not trashing anything, but I'm trashing so many things. But this, I don't know why, but I actually really like it, and since I'm gonna go to Edinburgh, I might need this. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, another thing is that I actually collect cards. This is from tennis. Can you tell how cute I was? And literally they got my name wrong because it says Moema. This is my cafeteria card from Scotland, and it is still valid until 2024. Oh my god. I actually thought I lost this, so I'm happy I found it. All this are donations. These are just bags here. That's all I'm keeping. But yeah, I just kept it minimal. Like literally cleaned the living shit out of this box and of this one. So
one eternity later.
So I didn't want to film the stuff too much because it's more personal, but yeah, so I sorted everything, and the room is really messy still, so there's not gonna be an after. Oh my god, still a freaking mess. So that is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, I'm filming this like forever later, and yeah, hope this inspired you to clean out your room and get your shit together.